Hello, everyone. Day 3 is dedicated to observing the mind's natural chatter without becoming entangled in it. This practice helps you build a healthier relationship with your thoughts, teaching you that you can observe them without judgment or attachment. The essence of this meditation is to simply watch your thoughts as they arise and pass away, much like clouds drifting across the sky. This practice reinforces the idea that thoughts are transient and not necessarily reflective of your true self or reality. Rather than engaging with your thoughts, analyzing or criticizing them, you're invited to acknowledge their presence and let them go. This can reduce the impact of negative or overwhelming thinking patterns. Labeling the thoughts. When a thought comes into your awareness, silently note, there's no need to analyze or engage with it. If a particular thought is persistent, perhaps a worry or a plan, acknowledge with a gentle label like worrying and allow it to pass, returning to the ing or remembering or amen, and perhaps a worry or a plan. If you find that your attention has been swept away by a thought, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Use a kind reminder, I see a thought. Now, back to my breath. Let this act of returning be a moment of self-compassion and acceptance. Deepening the observation, expand your awareness slightly to notice not only the thought itself, but also any accompanying sensations. Perhaps you feel a slight tightening in your chest when a stressful thought arises, or a sense of lightness with a pleasant memory. Allow yourself to observe these sensations as part of the natural ebb and flow of your experience. Mindful patience. Remember, it's completely natural for the mind to wander. Each time you notice your thoughts drifting, view it as an opportunity to practice returning to your breath and deepening your awareness. Be gentle with yourself. This practice is about building a kinder, more accepting relationship with your inner dialogue. Final integration. As we near the end of this session, allow your awareness to widen. Notice the quiet space that exists between your thoughts. A gentle pause that reflects your calm presence. Take a few more deep breaths, feeling the expansive stillness within. Closing the session. When you feel ready, gradually bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretch, and slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of mindful observation with you throughout your day, knowing that you can turn to this practice whenever you need a moment of clarity and calm. After your session, you might choose to jot down any recurring themes or surprising insights from your thoughts. Notice if certain thoughts repeatedly appear and consider how they make you feel. Reflect on the experience of watching your thoughts come and go, and acknowledge the space you've created between yourself and the thoughts. As you bring this meditation to a close, begin to deepen your breath once more. Feel the calm that now fills the space between your thoughts, a gentle reminder of the stillness within. Slowly let your awareness expand to include your entire body, reconnecting with the sensations of the room around you. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you feel ready, softly open your eyes. Thank you for joining in this mindful journey today. May you carry this sense of clarity and calm with you throughout your day. Until next time, be kind to yourself and take this peace with you. Goodbye.